Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make Tarpapel on Microsoft Office. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So here for this video, I'm just going to follow this guide from this website. And basically for making Tarpapel, we will be needing to use the Microsoft Office Excel. And basically, you can just use any version. Either you can do it like from the cloud, or you can simply use the Office app. So here, we will be needing just to use the narrow page for our page setup and the page layout. And basically, you can use any page that you'd like, either the A4 or A5, depends on the size that you would like. So in my case, I'm just going for a blank workbook, and here we will find the page layout. You go for a narrow margins, and of course, you would like to use an A4 paper size. Now we click on OK. And as you can see, those are our margins. So this is your page here that you are seeing like in these margins. And basically, you would like to zoom up to 20 so you can see the whole page. So here we are going to see all the page. So we can do just like that, or we can make it a 20. Now you can see you can add the image to use as a tar paper. So as you can see now, you will be needing just to insert a picture of your tar paper, and you will be needing to match these cases. So here I'm just going to insert any image, and I want uh, let's just over cells, and let's just use anything. And here I have this image here. So for example, you would like just to fit it to be in some of your borders. So you will want it to be like that, and you would want it to be like that, so it can be cut, etc. Now we will be needing to simply now is simply start printing your tar paper. So we are just going to either use Control P, and then you can start the process of printing, or you can simply go and you will just click on Control P, and as you can see now, each page has some kind or some parts of my tar paper or my image. And in your case, it will be the tar paper, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.